There's one thing that everyone is talking about: MRR, monthly recurring revenue. And in GoHighLevel, you are able to turn your client services that people usually do a one-time payment into a subscription plan. Imagine being able to change the predictability of your client's revenue and being able to come up with an offer that makes sense for the client, makes sense for the business owner, makes sense for everyone. And the result of that, it's more revenue and more predictable revenue. So if you want to know how to create recurring products or services inside of GoHighLevel, stay until the end of this video because I'll teach you step by step. Editor, play the intro. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucas Dantas here, bringing another content about HighLevel. Yeah, that's right, I have a new cap now. On July, I've met my quota of affiliates and HighLevel sent me a shirt, they sent me this cap, and they also sent me some stickers that I have right here. I even used some of them already. But anyway, you know our goal here is to not waste anybody's time, so that's why I'm already sharing my screen with you. Relax, we're not gonna play golf. Let me explain myself first. This is a client that has a golf simulator. Usually people book an hour there at the golf simulator. In here, we are doing an exercise where we're creating this same offer, but using a membership plan. And that's why I've created this other page. It's basically the same, like the layout. We're not worrying about this now. Let's worry about the functionality. Then we worry about the aesthetics, the layout, the copy, and that stuff. So basically we are creating this. We're turning a service that people book per hour into a membership plan. Usually when people come here to book the simulator per hour, you see we charge $45 per hour, and people can book here 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. You see, so these are the options that we give to people. This is all done in HighLevel, and what we're doing here is we're creating new products because we're creating different plans, and what we're turning this into a membership plan so we can create monthly recurring revenue for a client. It's way better for our client to have 10 people on the $97 plan, for example, in having those hours reserved for them, than having to look for new clients to fill out all the slots they have available. $45 per hour, it's a good price. However, this makes sense to the business owner and also makes sense to the client who is paying for this offer. And now I'm going to show you how you can build these recurring products and how that works inside of HighLevel. So now they are inside of GoHighLevel. Now we can create the recurring products. But before that, I'm going to showcase other funnels we have built so you can see the differences between them. So right here, it's the golf club repair funnel. This is for several services. This is all one-time services. So there's no recurring products here. And the way we do is on the checkout page, we go to the product section, the products tab right here, and then we add each one of the products that we want to add to the checkout page. When we open this page, I have it open right here. This is how it looks like. Of course, I have the cart mode enabled. That's why I'm able to select several items. If I have disable, instead of seeing the checkbox, I would see the radio button that only allow me to select one of them. But in this case, people can select all of this. They can even select more than one for each one of these. These are all settings that you can control here when you go to products, and you can add it here, and you can go to additional options, and you can select how many, the maximum that you are allowing people to buy, the name that's going to show up there. So this is all configurable through the GoHighLevel funnels. The other funnel that we have is the one I showed you in the beginning of this video, which is the hourly booking funnel. Here we have a calendar, and we are accepting payment on this calendar. I have the screen open right here. So you see, so this is a simulation where we're doing a 2-hour booking, and we're paying $90 because it's $45 per hour. So that's why we're charging this much on the calendar. So this is two ways. One way we do a checkout for a one-time product. This way we do a payment on the booking, like before they can book, you can do the payment. And now I'm going to show you how you can create a recurring product and add to a funnel. So now let's go ahead and create a recurring product and add to a funnel. The first step for this is to click on payments. Then you're going to click on products, and here you're going to see all of your existing products. You're going to click on create product. Then you're going to specify the name of your product, the description. Then you can specify an image or not to be associated with a product. You can use the product label. This is if you're using the store feature on HighLevel. You can specify a category, which is sale or feature, and you can also specify the visibility period that's going to show that product on your website. The same goes for product collection. If you are using the store on HighLevel, this will make more sense. But for this purpose of this video, we're just going to jump straight to tax code, where you can specify a tax code for your product, and you can also attach tax rates if you're not using automatic taxes or if your customers are outside of the US. If you would like to customize how your customers see the charges on their bank statements, you can also use the statement descriptor to make changes. Now, the most important part is the prices. In prices, you can select a one-time payment or a recurring. The currency that you see here will be automatically pulled up from your account settings. So if your location is set up for the United States, US dollars is going to be your default currency here. But you can also change if you would like to do that. One thing that I would keep in mind is that if you are using different products with different currencies, do not add them to the same funnel. Create different funnels if you are operating in different currencies. So here, we're going to specify it's recurring. We're going to add $97 per month. We can even add a discounted price. This compare a price option, if you add 297, for example, it's going to show that the price was 297 and now it's $97. You can also specify the billing period. This is how often people are going to get charged. So if you can do daily, weekly, yearly, monthly, and even custom. For custom, you can do every 3 months, every 3 weeks, every 10 days. You can specify the period that makes the most sense for you. We're doing monthly here, and then you have the option for a trial period. That's if you do not want to charge your client for the first days. So you specify the trial period. The client would not be charged for the first 5 days, 7 days, whatever you specify here, and then automatically, and then they will start to be charged automatically. You can also specify a set number of payments if you just would like to do a payment plan. If you have a service that is 2 payments of $600, you can just create that product here, and then instead of leaving the number of payments blank, you're going to specify the number of payments, and when that number of payments is reached, the charges will stop. The other thing that you can do is to add a membership offer to the products you are adding. You can even add a price description as well, which makes your job easier when you're adding products to a funnel. And the last part, it's the variant. If you have different types of the same product, different sizes, different colors, different types, you can specify the types of variants here. And for the last part, it's the SEO settings. That's if you use the store feature on HighLevel so your product gets found on searches. So now let's jump to the part that everyone was waiting for. Let's add these products to the funnel. So I'm going to select my membership plan. I have cloned this funnel, so I need to make some edits here. And the page that we're going to edit is the booking hour page. It has this weird name, but we're going to change everything now. So first, I'm going to change this to checkout page. I'm going to change the slug as well. So now this step has been updated. I'm going to make some changes on the page, and then we're going to add the products. So here, I'm going to make sure that we have disable cart mode. I'm going to add the product description, price information. I'm going to add as well. No need for order bump, no need for coupon codes, no need for terms and conditions. And I'm going to add the sticky contact. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do here. I'm going to publish. And now I'm going to go to that section right here to products. And I'm going to add my silver membership product. And I'm going to add my silver membership product, the price, and you can add here $97 a month, and you can do additional options here as well. In this case, we're allowing maximum 1. That's pretty much it. And if you do have to do custom authorization, you cannot leave this blank. Just leave 1, and that'll be fine. So I have added my silver membership product here, and now I'm gonna add my gold membership product. Now with both products added here, let's see how this looks like for our content. So here I have the page. I'm gonna go to step 2, and here I have my plans. So I have the silver membership, $97 a month, up to 5 hours a month to use the golf simulator. I have the $197 a month plan, up to 10 hours per month using the golf simulator. So people can either choose one or the other, and then they need to make the payment here. And from there, you can make this better using automations. One of the things that we'll definitely do here is to make sure everyone that books an hourly appointment get an email offering the membership plans, because I know that's going to be a huge success for this client. Guys, that's pretty much it. If you like this content, please leave your like in this video. Please comment. Let me know what else you want to see about HighLevel, and see you on the next one.